Hey there, homeowners! Struggling with a garage door that just won't budge? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the world of garage door openers and how to troubleshoot when things go south. So, let's get that door moving again. Garage door openers are the heart of your garage's entry system, but like any other appliance, they can run into trouble. Motor issues, gear wear, and electrical faults are the usual suspects when your door refuses to open or close. First up, motor problems. If your opener hums but the door doesn't move, the motor might be to blame. It's working hard but not getting the traction it needs. Next, let's talk gears. These little guys can wear out over time, especially in chain-driven openers. If you hear grinding noises but the door stays put, worn gears could be your culprit. And we can't forget about electrical issues. From fried circuit boards to faulty wiring, electrical faults can stop your garage door in its tracks. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Sometimes a simple reset or battery replacement in your remote can work wonders. But if the problem persists, it might be time to call in the pros. Need a hand? Don't hesitate to reach out to our team of garage door repair and installation technicians. Just dial 1-866-992-1816 and we'll have your garage door running smoothly in no time. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues from cropping up, but when they do, you know who to call. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more handy home tips. See you next time.